This is right here. We're going to go over real fast. So I've got this plan right here. It's one of the first houses I did for ARC 190, and I just pulled it up real fast. As you can see, there's not really much to it. So I didn't really use this one very much. But from this, what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you guys the kind of how to print these out into one single sheet instead of there being multiples. Well, multiple sheets within one single file, so it's easier for people to redline and for you to submit. So it's just one file and then multiple sheets within it. All right. So first of all, you see how I've got this down here, this nice blue line, and then I've got the black line around it, and then I've also got these elevation callouts right here. So for one, these elevation callouts need to be on the sheet like so. You need to move them in and get those done like that. Okay. Pull those in, and of course, if you click on that little triangle, it'll show you where those views actually are inside there. If you just click this box right here and then just move it, it's not going to move the view. So you want to actually select the whole thing and move it so that it moves the view with it, so that it's within this right here. And then you can select that view and place it however you'd like. If you just click on the triangle, make it view. So there you go, and that's pretty much that. Now you see how it's got a line over it, right? So if yours has that line around it, so there's crop boxes. See, so you have that box around it. There's a little thing down here to so double click right there, and then you see how it's gone. So that's that. All right. If you click off on the side and not have anything selected, if you just come down to this, you can actually drag this over. You want that in an appropriate size. Now, if you're trying to resize that line, you want to do that and then just bring it in. I would suggest, trying to grab this by itself first and get this in this right spot, doing by like the actual heading and tag right there, and then afterwards do this part where you're resizing it. So that's how it should look. Now, other than that, you see how this is in color? This is not what we want to see. This is actually, we want to see it in hidden line. So it needs to look like this, where it has the hidden lines in it, and it doesn't have any shading. You can have fine detail, and you shouldn't have this right here on. So like if I can't, like if it's not doing thin lines for me, but that's fine. Coarse, medium, and fine is fine. It's okay to have it like that. Actually, I just realized what this is. This is the house for my dad that I've been working on for like a year, and I haven't finished it yet. So yeah, this is how we want to see it and everything. Of course, I don't have dimensions like they're supposed to be, because of course I haven't worked on this in quite a while. But there's the one plan. Now try to straighten that out real fast. You have everything else in there. You have your north and your half size and stuff like that, right? All right. And then there's this one right here. Of course, this is not correct sizing. I will go ahead and put it as a fourth. There we go. Place it in there. Grab that. Pull it up. Drop it. All right. Now, this is second floor, right? And I do have these roofs that are on the sides there. As you see, they're on the sides and everything. So with that, of course, you have these are just chilling, hanging out. You can sit there, right-click on one of them, hide category, and then there you go. That's what the second floor looks like, and that's the first floor. I do believe, let's see, viewport. Yeah, that's first floor. So it's supposed to be like a kitchen and stuff. And this is upstairs. And of course, that's beams and everything in there to kind of help out. So yeah, so I'm gonna make sure those are right. So there you go. Make sure you've gone through and put all your stuff in and correct it. Now, These are good. Now, I've got 2 sheets ready, right? I want to print these off. So you can either come up here and press print. Even you can go right here too, and it comes over to this little menu. Press here if you want. You can do that. Or if you come right here, there's a nice little tag right there that says print. Now, most of you may be using BlueBeam. I, for one, have found one that's free and will work. Sometimes BlueBeam doesn't like to work on many computers, so I use Cute PDF Writer. You can actually look up that right there online and actually just download it if you'd like to. Now, there's also BlueBeam PDF. I'll use that one since that's the majority of what we are using. So I'm in this current view right here. Say I've gone through the settings and stuff like that for setup. I can preview that. So what I can see right now, this is an 8x11 sheet. We don't want that, right? So you want to go back. If you press print, it'll go back. If you press close, it closes it. You'll have to go back to the process to get back to this window here. So I can go to setup, default. Well, I don't have any other settings, so you can go here. Tabloid and 11x17 are the same thing. Not only that, but you also have this down here. You have other sizes. There's ARC C, D, E, E1. Those are also there. And then you have a 12x18, which doesn't make a sense. It shouldn't be that. So it should be tabloid. Leave it centered. Zoom in since it is a larger sheet, half size, 50. There you go. Leave it centered. Like I said, there you go. Done. All right. So all of that should be good. Click here. So now, to get it on multiple sheets, you go to this right here, select views and sheets. Also, you see now this fits. This right here, that one line, that's what it should look like, okay? Now, if you go to select multiple views and sheets, go to select, go off of views, check none, and then click the views that you want and press OK. You can save it if you want. I'm not. And the most important thing, it says right here, combine multiple selected view sheets into a single file. Click here, and then make sure you know where this is saving. So go in there. I'll go in and I'll just put it in at work. All right, and then name it whatever your project is. I'll put Ray, and then I like to just put the date on it. So 0604, and there you go. So I know what it is. Okay, and then once you're done with that right there, you've designated it. You press OK. All right, and then next out, BlueBeam will pull up like this, and you'll have some spots here you can actually put stuff. So again, there's the name again. It'll populate it there for you already. But once you put it, you need to find out where you want to go. So right now I'm inside that. This little button right here, the file with an arrow, that is one level up. Like it says, it'll go up one level. It's kind of like backing out of a file and you're going back to the parent file. That's the back button to go to the last folder. But as you see, I'm going in, and that goes back. But then I can go back in it, and I can do this too. But that goes back to wherever I was before, right? That right there goes back to where I was before, and that right there will go and like move you backwards, right, into the parent folder. All right, so I'll go back again. I want to save it there. Click save. All right, it's going to convert it and everything. Once that is done, it's always a good practice to try to find it. For me, mine will automatically just pull up into my PDF browser, and I can automatically see it. So that is where you got to, want to do. You want to have it as a single file with multiple views within it, right? So that's how you want to submit it. Thank you, guys. If you have any questions, just kind of reach out, and we can help you as best as possible. Thank you.